Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, an automatic, 6-SP transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 107,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, anti-lock brakes, stability control, traction control, CD player, MP3 player, DVD player, XM satellite radio, OnStar, Bluetooth, power windows, and power door locks.